And we are now doing the test with the ECOBULL units. The ECOBULL and the M100 Tan both share a lot of similarities. It's going to be the same body style here, same manual shaker, same tangential inlet over here, and same 26-gallon bin here. The differences lie in this side channel blower motor here. It is a 480 volt 3-phase motor. Coming around to the side, we have the pressure relief valve here. This will open up if there is any clogs or anything going on with the vacuum as to not burn out this motor. The side channel blower produces 247 CFM. We are doing the same test that we did with the M100 with the same set of tools, the scraping pipe, the S-pipe with the floor sweep on it with the height regulating wheels, and the flat crevice pipe here for any nooks and crannies that you guys have at the facility. Let's go ahead and give it a shot and see what our results are like.
So these kinds of chips are where you're going to have the issues, right? So see if we can kind of assist this into the inlet. And there it goes. So any of those smaller shavings, it's really having no issue picking them up. It's these kind of longer strands here. That's where we seem to have some of the issues. But the EcoBull definitely did better than the M100 Tan did. The side channel blower produces quite a bit more negative pressure, kind of helping pull that stuff through. So that's what I attribute to this doing a little bit better than the M100 Tan. But now let's try it with those chips. Very confident that this unit should have no issue, but let's see. All right, guys, thank you again so much for sending that material out to us. Testing went pretty well today. Again, we used the EcoBull Tan here and the M100 Tan. Both construction on the unit is exactly the same. So same body, same 26-gallon collection bin, again, same manual shaker and same tangential inlet on both units. It's gonna be the difference in the motors. So side channel blower motor here, 480 volt, 3-phase, and then 3 bypass motors here, 120 volt, 20 amp socket, single phase. Both units worked very well. Obviously, the EcoBull with that 480 volt power supply, it has some more oomph to it, and was able to get those chips up a little bit better and all of those shavings up a little bit better, especially using the larger hose diameter. But again, just something to note is that anytime you have those chips that are bird nesting, it's going to be really difficult for really any industrial vacuum system to be able to pull those through. But again, testing did go very well. Y'all just let me know which unit you guys are liking more, and we can get you guys moving forward.